This is the training video on how to review and preview the new Aide Care Plan. We have an option to allow supervisors to review the Aide Care Plans as needed. To mark them as reviewed, click on the Aide Care Plan and then click on the Review button at the top. And down here at the bottom, you're able to select the date that you reviewed the care plan and click on Save Review. You'll notice up here at the top where it says Last Reviewed, it will have the date and the employee who is logged into Barnstorm who reviewed the plan. You are able to update the review date as needed. The review date and the employee will show up on the print preview for the Aide Care Plan and the Aide assignment. While you're in the review option, you will not be able to modify the Aide Care Plan. Alright, let's move on to previewing the notes. The main difference here is we added an option, Use PM Plan. This will help when you're printing your Aide Care Plans that have both AM and PM plans. When the box is not checked, it will default to the AM plan. You can see here on the main screen the visit frequency field. This will show you if you have an AM or PM plan selected. So this bottom one, this one has both. If I were to click on Aide Weekly, it's going to default to my AM information. So we have the frequency with the number of times a week the patient is seen, including the number of hours scheduled for the week. And when we scroll down, it's going to show which tasks are supposed to be performed on each day. This information comes from that Task tab from the Aide Care Plan, where you select and define each task that needs to be completed day by day. So let's go back. I'm going to check the Use PM Plan, select the care plan that has both AM and PM, and click on Aide Weekly. And now it shows the frequency for the PM time and the task for the PM. All right, let's go back. If the Aide Care Plan only has PM, you do still need to select the Use PM Plan checkbox. If you do not, it's not going to show any of the tasks that you have selected. So here's a good example. You do have to check that box even if it's just a PM plan. All right. The Use PM Plan also works with the week view. The Use Schedule Info checkbox, that works with the week view only. You can use this checkbox if you are modifying the schedule from the schedule screen for individual entries. So an example would be if there's just one day of the week where another aide has to see the patient instead of the normal aide. So if you update the schedule and you need to print a week view with that information, you'll use this Use Schedule Info to print the actual information from the schedule screen instead of the Aide Care Plan. When you check the Use Schedule Info, it will allow you to select which week you want to print.